Greetings, everyone. You are welcome. So, today we are going to design a project called Hide and Seek. So, before we start writing on script, let's go and plan around the project. Let's go and decide what we need. So, the name of our project is Hide and Seek. Now, what are the things we need for the project? One, we need backdrops. So in getting our backdrops, we will need a backdrop for welcome screen. So welcome backdrop. Okay, BD. We need instruction. A backdrop for instruction. In other programs, in other projects, it might be seen as a description, BD. We need the main backdrop where we would run the project, where we enjoy the game, BD. Then we need another backdrop that when you have gotten some score and the score is good, we will say you are a winner. So winner backdrop. And then if you haven't attained a score, we will say try again backdrop. So now we need these 5 backdrops. Okay, so what else do we need? We need some sprites. Sprites. Now how many sprites do we need? So we will need a sprite, a button sprite, that when we click on it, it will take us to start the game. So our button sprite. So maybe we'll say start here or click here. Okay, start. Okay, we'll give the name to the button to be start, which is going to be button sprite. Okay, now we need another sprite. And this sprite is the game that is the character that will be hiding, and then we'll be seeking it with our pointer, right? So the character. Okay, is this all we need? Maybe we will need some sound in the way. Sound. Now the sound, do we need it at the beginning? Yes, we need an intro sound. So when the game starts, we need a sound there. Now the hide and seek, when we happen to catch our character, we want to say, we have caught you. So catch or touching. Okay, so when we touch our character, touching, we need a sound for touching. Now when you win, winning sound. And then when you lose, okay, so losing or loss sound. Okay, now besides that, we still need some things. What else do we need? We need we've gotten our backdrops, we've gotten our sprite, we've gotten our sound. Yes, and the last one, we need variables. So variables, what will the variables do? Variables. What do we need the variables for? A, we need a variable that will hold the scores. Whenever you click on the character or you touch the character, the variable should give a scores. And we need a variable that will serve as a timer. Okay, counts down timer, or we can name it count down. So it will be counting down for us, and then this one will be doing the calculation for us. Okay, so in all, these are the things we are planning to use. So without wasting much time, I'll shift it to one side so that we can all be seeing it, and then I'll select my scratch. Okay, so with our hide and seek project, we need these things. So let's work with the backdrops first. Let's work with the backdrops first. So I have scratch. Now we have scratch. We have this character here. We are not going to use this character, so I'll delete it from here. So you see, I taught you how to delete a scratch character. A sprite. Now the stage is selected here, so I click on the stage. So let me make it big. So the stage is here. I have selected the stage, and the stage has one backdrop. So I'm going to click on the stage. Then I'm going to bring some number of backdrops. So I'll bring this one as the first one. Now, after I've clicked on the stage, you notice that the tabs that we have here, we have the code, we have backdrops. Instead of costume, we have backdrops, and then we have sound. So let me go to backdrops. So we have backdrops. Now, earlier there was a white backdrop on the stage. We don't intend to use the white backdrop, so I'm going to delete it. Can you see I'm deleting it from here? Okay, now the first backdrop I have here is blue sky. Now, having this backdrop, I'm going to rename it at this place. I'm going to rename it as welcome backdrop. Welcome BD. Good. Now I'm going to write on it. So I'll come and click on text. Now let me draw attention to this. Pay attention to these features here. So we have select, we have reshape, we have brush, we have eraser, we have fill in or fill, we have text, we have line, we have circle, we have rectangle. Okay, now before you work on a backdrop, make sure the backdrop is in the vector form. What do I mean by vector form? The vector form allows you to work geometrically, like to bring items onto the page and to move them easily. We have two forms of images. So we have the vector form currently that is why they've written here convert to bitmap. When I click on convert to bitmap, it has changed my image or structure to bitmap. So you can see that the items brush, the items are selected, they are pixelated, they are in the pixel form, they are not smooth. Okay, now so you see the bottom here, they said convert to vector. So once convert to vector is here, it means that our image here is not a vector, it's not in the vector form. So working on it would be difficult. So you have to come and click on convert to vector. Now it is in the vector form. watching here, you see they said convert to bitmap. It means currently this thing here is in the vector form. So I selected this text. I may choose the color I want to write on my screen. So I'm going to start with this beautiful color. So I clicked on my screen. Now I'm typing the name of my project. Hide and seek. So this is going to appear hide and seek. Now I'm going to take another color and then I'll write here by my name. So it's like a presentation. So you do anything in a presentation, you need to write your name on it. Right? Okay. So by my name. Yes, so we are done with the welcome backdrop. Okay, so now we can choose another backdrop from here, which will be added to this. So I'm going to choose a backdrop. Okay, so now I'm taking this backdrop. So I'm going to give it the name instruction backdrop. Okay, so I'm giving it the name instruction backdrop. Now I'm going to write here. I may choose a color that can be seen well. Okay, so instructions. Yep. So what is going to be the instruction here? Okay, so the instruction will be okay. So the writing has the same color as my backdrop. So I'm going to change that color to something else. Okay, let me turn it to red. Okay, so let me write it. Look for your character with your pointer. You will get more scores when you click on the character. So I think I've written a lot. You will get more scores. You will get more scores when you click on the character. Okay, so that is going to be for our instruction backdrop. Now let's go and bring another backdrop. This is where the game will be played and it will be enjoyed. So I'm going to look for, okay, so I'll try forest. Okay, so forest is where the game will be played. So this side is going to be my main backdrop. Then I'm going to bring another one for a winning backdrop. So winning. which backdrop would be for celebration. Let me take a party. Okay, so this party, I'll write win backdrop or winner. Okay, winner backdrop, and then I'll go for the final one. Remember, I'm choosing the backdrop from here, and then the final one is going to be loser or try again backdrop. What will I take? Okay, so let me take a Hayfield. Okay, let me take the moon. Okay, so instead of saying try loser, try again backdrop. Okay, now winner backdrop, I need to write something on it. So I'll come here. Remember, it is in a vector form. That is why they've written here convert to bitmap. Okay, so I'll click here and say congratulations. Then I'll click here and say try again. So now you can see I haven't converted this to a vector. It's in the bitmap form, which is very bad. So I'm going to undo here again, and now I'll convert to vector. Good. So now I'll type my try again. Okay, so with all, I have brought my welcome backdrop, I have brought my instruction backdrop, I have brought my main backdrop where we are going to play the game. I haven't converted it, so I'll click on convert to vector. Now it's in the vector form. I brought winner backdrop, which is already in the vector form. I brought try again backdrop. Now we are going to the codes. Okay, so like I said, whenever you want to start any project, you need to name the project, and the name must be at the top here. So I should have written the name before start doing whatever editing. So now here I have height and seek. Okay, so what I'm going to do is save this project. Okay, so now I have hide and seek here, so I'll click on save.